IRS free file tax software review using experience. Watch before using. The IRS free file program is a partnership between the IRS and several tax software providers, offering a free online tax preparation and filing for eligible taxpayers. It aims to make tax filing accessible to low and moderate income individuals, typically those with an adjusted gross income, which is the AGI of $73,000 or less. And here are the key features about this platform, which is the completely free filing. Federal and some state tax returns can be filed for free if you qualify, and also multiple software providers, access to various trusted tax software brands include TaxArt, TurboTax, and others, and also a guided tax preparation, which is a step-by-step guidance for easy and accurate filing with a bank level encryption to protect personal information, which is a secure filing, and availability open to US citizens and residents with a qualified income. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So starting with the pros, which is no hidden fee, truly free for eligible taxpayers, no upselling or surprise cost, and also reputable software partners, access to well-known trusted tax preparation software with a simple and straightforward, suitable for tax situation like W2 income, unemployment benefit, and income credit, and also the state tax filing. Some providers offer free state filing alongside federal returns. And here the downside, which is eligibility limitation, only available to individuals with an AGI of 73,000 or less, and limited availability. Not all tax software partners participate in every year, and availability for vary by state. And also complex tax situation may not be ideal for more complex tax situation like winter incomes or complicated investments, and also navigation issues. The process of selecting a provider on the IRS free file website can be confusing for some users. And here is the overall verdict about this platform. IRS free file is an excellent option for eligible taxpayers who need a cost-effective, reliable way to file federal and state tax. However, those with complex tax situation or income above the eligibility threshold should explore those tax preparation options.